Today, we'll be exploring the different types of takeoff exports available on the newly updated Auto Measure Blueprint platform. Once a takeoff is completed, it can be opened to reveal various icons at the bottom. Clicking on the first icon, labeled Export Outputs, opens up a range of export options for the takeoff. The first option is the shareable link. This is a convenient way to share your takeoff with suppliers, stakeholders, and colleagues. Simply copy the link and include it in your bid package. This allows external viewers to interactively explore the takeoff. You can also choose whether to hide or display the measurements before sharing, depending on your preference. Following this, we have the supplementary files. This option allows you to download a custom Excel report that can be directly integrated into your estimating software. The downloaded Excel file includes structured data organized into easily navigable EC2 tabs. The next option is the PDF export. Clicking on Export PDF presents you with the choice to select A3, A4, or True to Scale. Choose the option that best suits your needs and proceed to download the report or send it to your email. Next, we have the Excel export. Clicking on Excel allows you to download the report or have the platform email you an Excel report with multiple tabs containing all the takeoff details. Finally, we have the screenshot option. If you need to quickly send a visual screenshot to a colleague or a customer, this option allows you to export an image of the takeoff with just one click. And that concludes our overview of the different formats available for takeoff exports. We hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you.